Hey y'all, so I am back with another lip scrub video. I haven't made lip scrubs in literally forever, but I guess you could say, kind of rebranding. I have new containers, just changing up the containers. I feel like these are better looking, and yeah, you always want, good quality stuff. So I feel like these are better. These are my regular purchase lip scrubs. For my wholesale, I'll still be using the same containers that I was using before, most likely until those are gone. I don't want to waste my money, so I'm going to use those until they're gone. So yeah, it's still the same ingredients. I'm going to be adding 2 new flavors. So I thought that I would do a chocolate flavor and a bubblegum flavor. So we have orange, chocolate, bubblegum, strawberry, and pineapple. No more grape, blueberry, because those didn't really sell good. So if something is not selling good, then you need to get it going, okay? So those are discontinued, but they are still available for wholesale, just not regular. I cleaned out all my containers and stuff. So these will be the containers I'll be using to make my lip scrub. And yeah, this is all the sugar that I have. I'm gonna go to the store tomorrow and pick up some sugar, or I might order some online. Depends on how I'm feeling. Yeah, I'm so excited about bringing the lip scrub back. I hope that people purchase them. I hope that they do good. And by the time this video goes up, they should be available on the site. Make sure you use the code YTFAM at checkout for $1 off of your purchase, so you will be able to purchase these lip scrubs. I didn't get a spoon. I'll be right back, y'all. So I think the first one that I'm gonna do is bubblegum. Since it is a new flavor, let's do that one first. So I just have the sugar in here right now. And I have my mirror in the back so I can see what I'm doing. So if y'all see me looking over here, I'm looking at my mirror. Alright, so now I'm gonna add my color. I'm gonna add a couple drops. So this is how it's looking so far. All right, so this is how the bubblegum lip scrub looks. So pretty. And it smells so good. If you suffer from dry, cracked lips, our lip scrubs are perfect for you. They are super, super moisturizing. They are infused with good oils. These are vegan, cruelty free. Now I'm gonna start filling the containers with the lip scrub. And these are 2-ounce containers. Y'all, these are so pretty. So pretty. Like I said, by the time this video goes up, they will be available. So make sure you click the link in the description box and check out the website. A little bit goes a long way, so you do not need to use a lot. So this should definitely last a while. Now we're on to the next flavor. So I guess I can do chocolate. So just the same process over and over. So I'll probably, if I have something to say, then you know I'll just say it. But I'm gonna have some music playing for y'all. And yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We were on the road to 10K subscribers, and we're really trying to get there. So please support me and subscribe. Hit that subscribe button for me. I greatly appreciate it. And yeah, I hope that you guys enjoy. Definitely looks like chocolate, and it smells so good. This is how chocolate looks. My hand is shaking. I don't want to drop them. And it looks so nice in these containers. The strawberry one is now going to be a dark pink. Okay, so it doesn't look that bad as in the color. This is strawberry, and again, it smells really good. All of them smell really good. And this is how she looks. Now I'm about to go ahead and fill up the jars. So this is our strawberry lip scrub. So it's more on the pink side now, or darker pink. It looks cute. It looks really good. So I'm gonna do pineapple, and then the last one that I have to do is orange. Alright, so this is how our pineapple lip scrub looks. A nice light yellow. This is definitely giving me lemonade vibes. I should have made this lemonade, but it is pineapple. Alright y'all, so here is the pineapple lip scrub in the jars. So pretty. So I definitely am going to add some more flavors probably next month, because I have something else that I want to rebrand this month. So yeah, I'm just getting these ready, and then I'll start working on my next little rebranding project. This is how the orange lip scrub looks. Here are the orange lip scrubs in the jars. I just feel like these jars look so much better. Like, it just gives it a clean look. It doesn't look cheap. Not saying that the other ones look cheap, because they look good too. Like, I made sure I took great pictures and they looked pretty in person, but I just feel like these look way better. So these are all 5 of the lip scrubs: pineapple, orange, bubblegum, chocolate, and strawberry. And like I said, I will be adding some more flavors sometime next month. I'm gonna order more containers at the end of this month. So be on the lookout for another video of me making more lip scrubs, more flavors.